everyone, my name is Leah from AudaCity Capital, and today I will be answering your questions from our social media pages. So I'll start by explaining a little bit about who we are and what we do. So we are AudaCity Capital and we are a prop trading firm based in central London. So we were founded in 2012 and we recruit traders from all over the world to manage our capital. We have two programs here at AudaCity Capital, the Funded Trader Program and the Hidden Talents Program. So the Funded Trader Program is for experienced traders who lack the capital to begin making profit. So we give them a starting account of $15,000 to begin trading the Forex market all the way up to $500,000. The Hidden Talents Program is a training program for people with little to no experience in trading. So we train them up to a professional standard through our course and give them a funded account at the end to begin trading the Forex market. So now that you know a little bit about us, I will go into the video today. So I asked on Instagram and our AudaCity Capital app if anyone had any questions that we could answer in this video. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'll start with a few questions that we've got on Instagram. So this one says, do you fund past $500,000 at all, or do you plan to one day? Scaling up from $500,000 is something we plan to do in the future, but at the moment our highest account is $500,000. At the moment we do have a few traders who have hit their $500,000 mark with us, and what we do with them is we have a meeting with them to see what they would like to do. So from the beginning we want a long-term relationship with all of our traders, so we want to know what you want to do next. Some of our traders just continue making the 10% of their $500,000 account, and we split the profit whenever they make it, and then they keep going. But some traders have other ideas on what they want, and we're happy to take that on board. So our next question is, how can you determine the capability of a trader from an interview? So the talent acquisition team are the ones who conduct the interviews with potential traders for the Funded Trader Program. So they're trained on what to look out for and what to look for to know that you're fit for our program. We do ask for a track record of at least 3 months, so this is a way of knowing if you are capable for our program. We also ask you about your strategy, your experience, anything else that you feel would be beneficial to support your application. And through this, we determine who would be capable to join our program. Our next question is, what will happen if we fail to pay the monthly subscription fee? So we have a monthly subscription fee of £99, and if you fail to pay this, your account will be put on pause. But there is no need to worry. Once you pay the monthly subscription, your account will be reactivated from where it left off. This leads on to the next question, that is, how much is it to get funded? So we charge a one-off fee of £199 and a monthly fee of £99. Our monthly fee stays the same whether you're on the $15,000 account or you're on the $500,000 account. It stays the same and does not change. Please note we do not make any profits from our monthly fees. This is simply to cover admin costs, trading costs and platform costs. So our next question is, what news events are we allowed to trade? So with our Funded Trader Program, you are not allowed to trade during major news events. For major news events, we consider these as NFP, FOMC, interest rate decisions, and central bank speeches. You will receive an email before the news event telling you to close your position. However, if you do not get an email, we do not count that as a major news event, so you're free to trade. So our next question asks, how often do our traders trade per month, and do we have a monthly target and we stop once it's hit? So with our Funded Trader Program, once you hit the 10% profit target, your account will double alongside the leverage. So your account will go from $15,000 to $30,000, then once you hit the 10% on the $30,000, this will go to $60,000. We have no time limit in which you can reach this, so you can reach this in a month, in a week, it doesn't really matter, it is completely up to you. We have no profit payout dates, it's just whenever you hit your 10% target, you get paid. As I said previously, once you hit the $500,000 mark, we have a meeting with you to discuss what you want and what kind of relationship you want with us. So our next question is, can you run an EA on the account? Yes, you're free to use an EA on the account, however, you must contact our support team first to get it approved by our risk management. Our next question is, can I take a break for a couple of months or will that affect my funds? So if you would like to take a break from our program, you're free to put your account on pause So when you put your account on pause, your account will stay the exact same, and when you pay the fee, we will reactivate it for you. You don't need to worry about the funds in your account, it will be the exact same as what you left off. Our next question, someone asked, in any stage is it possible to trade gold? Yes, it is possible to trade gold with us and other instruments, however, this is after the 120k mark. Any account size that is below this, we only trade Forex as we believe the risk is too high. So when you hit the 120k mark, you're able to show us that you can trade this and you have the option to trade other instruments as long as it's approved by our risk management team. So our last question is, what is the advantages of your prop trading firm over the others? So one of the main differences with AudaCity Capital and other funding firms is that we do not have any demo or trial periods. We have an interview process instead, and if you're accepted, you can get an account with $15,000 immediately. There is no time wasting as our program is for experienced traders only, and you can get your account as soon as possible. As I mentioned previously, we have no time limit, and when you can reach your 10% profit target, you can go as fast or slow as you would like. We also have a great deal in the Forex market as we do not use a broker, we use an institutional liquidity provider. This allows us to benefit from deep liquidity in the market with tight spreads and no commissions or swaps on trades. This is something that is often overlooked, that you will have to pay the commission on your trades. We don't have that at all. You can also find more information about our drawdown limit and lot size on our website as well. So that's all we have time for today. Thank you if you submitted your question, and I hope you enjoyed getting your answer. And I'm sorry if we did not answer your question. We got an overwhelming amount of questions and this video would have been 2 hours long. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit our frequently asked questions page on our website, or we also have a video on our YouTube channel here. You can also ask us questions on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also search on the App Store and Google Play for AudaCity Capital and join our traders community.